Good morning, students. Today we are going to study our next chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. In the chapter acid, bases and salts, we need to first categorize what is actually acid, what is actually base, and what is a salt. In our daily life, we come across many substances like lemon, tamarind, salt, sugar, vinegar. Do they have same taste? No, obviously not. Some of them are edible, but they do not taste the same. So these substances can either be acid or the base or the salt. So in this chapter we are going to study how do we categorize which one is the acid and which one is the base. So in the first thing you have to remember the acids. Okay, can you see over here? The acids, they are sour in taste. Can you understand? Sour in taste. For example, you have heard about the lemon, curd, orange juice, vinegar. They all are sour in taste. The food products which are sour in taste, that means the chemical nature of such substances is acidic. On the other hand, if it is not sour in taste but it is bitter in taste, can you see here? Bitter in taste. Okay, and when you touch it, it feels soapy or slippery. So these are called as the base. Okay, so the acidic are sour in taste and the bases are bitter in taste and they are soapy to touch. And how can you identify which one is the acid and which one is the base? For that, we test it by the help of indicators. What are indicators? The indicators helps to identify which is acid and base. And how you will identify? The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic and basic substance. For example, if you add acid in the indicator, it will have different color, and if you add base in the indicator, it will show different color. We will study for later what are the different colors that are found. So these are the examples of the acids. Vinegar, it contains acetic acid. Lemon, citric acid. Tomato, oxalic acid. Grapes, tartaric acid. Milk, lactic acid. And formic acid, and apple, malic acid. Properties and examples. Again, acids, mostly citrus fruits are there. Tea, battery acids. Battery acids means this one. Then vinegar, milk, soda, apples, these contains the acids. On the other hand, bases, it is found mostly in household things. For example, baking soda, lye, ammonia, soap, and antacids. These are considered as base. You can see all these things. You have to learn all these table from your NCERT book. You have to learn the name of the acid present in which which food. For example, vinegar contains acetic acid, and contains formic acid, citrus fruits contains the citric acid. In the same way for the bases as well. For example, lime water contains calcium hydroxide. Window cleaner, for example, Pril or the things which are used to clean, they are called as the ammonium hydroxide. Always remember, whenever there is hydroxide word, that means they are base. When there is acid, that means they are acids. These are the common names of the acids, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. These are very strong acids. Okay, nitric acid, ethanoic acid, methanoic acid, and citric acid. Okay, you can see over here these three, they are called as the strong acid, and these three, they are called as the weak acid. And where it is found? It is found in the stomach. This can be found in the acid rain batteries in the labs. Again, this can be found in the acid rain. This can be found in vinegar, and then this can be found in citrus fruits. And these are names of some of the common base. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium oxide, calcium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, ammonia. It is not compulsory that all the bases will have hydroxide name. Mostly the bases have the hydroxide name at the behind, but some do not have those. So you have to learn like this: the calcium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, and ammonia. These are also called as the bases. And where do we find all these things? Oven cleaners, they are used in oven cleaners. Soil lime, lime water, Indigestion, when you feel indigestion, you eat too much and you feel vomited, or your food is not properly digested, then you take this one, milk of magnesia. Okay, in the same way, limestone, baking powder, cleaning fluids, these are examples of the bases that you need to know. So that's it all for today. We'll study or continue our topic in next video. Thank you.